How to prune a Japanese maple bonsai tree. Discover the art of pruning Japanese maple bonsai trees to enhance their beauty, promote healthy growth, and maintain their desired shape. Prune your Japanese maple bonsai to maintain balance, encourage proper branch structure, enhance ramification, and improve overall aesthetic appeal. Use concave cutters, pruning shears, and branch benders to shape your bonsai. Select branches carefully, cut with precision, and use wiring to achieve desired outcomes. Prune during the right seasons. Structural pruning in winter establishes primary branches, while refinement pruning in spring or summer maintains shape and balance. Remove larger branches to establish a strong branch structure and shape the overall framework of your Japanese maple bonsai. Trim selectively to encourage finer branching and create refined foliage pads. This maintains the desired shape and balance of your bonsai. Ensure proper wound healing, prevent infections, and provide adequate watering, fertilization, and protection for your bonsai during the recovery phase. Pruning Japanese maple bonsai trees is an essential practice to enhance their natural beauty. Use the right tools and techniques at the appropriate time to shape and refine your bonsai, ensuring long-term beauty and vitality.